we have a new toy. The unboxing of the Conga Rockstar vacuum cleaner commence. Buying a vacuum cleaner in Spain. Conga Rockstar vacuum cleaner. So basically with having a dog.
Yeah, there's a lot. And it's a dusty country. No one tells you how dusty it is.
Yeah.
So yeah, we do have a little vacuum cleaner, but it just doesn't cut it, does it?
No.
So we decided to get one of these cordless ones that we can just whip around the house, get the dog hair.
To be honest, I wanted to buy one of those robot ones by the same make, Conga.
They're a bit pricey though.
But 400 and odd euros, it was like, well, do you really? Now the thing is I'm really fussy with vacuum cleaners, having spent the best part of a decade and a bit. How's it going in the cleaning industry? I know a thing or two about vacuum cleaners. So what we'll do is we'll put the thing to...
Guess where the bits go.
We'll guess where the bits go. Why don't we just
read the instructions?
read the instructions for the Conga Rockstar.
This is not a paid promotion.
This is not a paid promotion, but if Conga Rockstar, if Conga wants to donate to the fund. Right, let's put it together, okay? And then we'll come back with a video of the... Oh, that looks...
It's actually not too heavy, which is okay.
Which is good.
There was one that was a bit cheaper, but it was really, really light.
Yeah.
You were like, yeah.
How does it go?
Nah. It's got a trigger.
It's got a trigger, yeah. It's not a gun. Oh god, I'm going to get killed. Right, let's put this together. So I just said to Karen, I says, where's the plug?
I said it doesn't have a plug, it's a cordless one.
How does it charge, Karen?
Specific. You were not specific in your query. This is the bit that charges.
This is the bit that charges.
Right,
Do you want me to hold it for you? So. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. That's the wrong song, isn't it? What's the Freddie Mercury song where he's dancing with the vacuum? Tell us in the comments what is the Freddie Mercury song, the Queen song, where he's dancing with the vacuum cleaner dressed up.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
The unboxing.
The unboxing of the plug. Right, let's charge it up and then we'll come back with a video.
Accessory holders that allow storing accessories while not in use. You can install it while using screws.
Using screws. So, it does have an LED. And it's at 52%. And there's Ginny's bed. Whose fault is it there's lots of dog hair? Ginny? Where does all the hair come from? As always, Karen and myself didn't read the instruction bill. Karen put it together.
It's together, it's working.
There is the accessories, the mounting point, and the Conga Rockstar book, which is in French, English, Espanol, Polish, Netherlands, Portuguese, Italiano, Dutch, French, there's the German, Austrian,
The walnut.
Cessna, Polska, the Walmart.
The walnut. So these little bits, they go
And there.
on there, and then your little accessories sit on there.
Oh, look at that.
Sits on there.
There we go.
And you can mount the whole thing.
How does it go?
You can mount the whole thing.
The Conga Rockstar vacuum cleaner. Now, we'll let it charge another half an hour? Yeah.
It tells you.
Well, it's 52% charged. So, do my Freddie Mercury bit with the Conga Rockstar. Let's see how it... But as far as vacuum cleaners goes, do the bit behind the door where all the dog hair collects. Why is there fireworks on?
It's the festival today.
Right, anyway. So it is a brushless vacuum cleaner. So if you look at the bottom, it has a sponge rather than a brush. Hopefully Karen's recording this. And if you want one, click the link in the description of this video. That is the Conga Rockstar vacuum cleaner unboxing review. Available in the United States, it's available in the UK and here in Spain.